this is your spacious living area. As you can see, this is your kitchen area, which is super big. Super big, super grand master bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Spring Woods, which is located at Sarjapura Road by the builder Buildico Ventures for a sample villa tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail. But before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project Spring Woods by the builder Buildico Ventures, which is located at Sarjapura Road, has a land parcel of 6.5 acres with 103 units, and each unit has a ground plus 2 floors, and the available variants are 4 BHK villas with 2,655 and 3,389 square feet. And let's talk about the connectivity. The project Springwood is just few minutes away from the Pink Line metro station, and this project has 20 plus amenities such as a gymnasium, clubhouse, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga lawn, jogging track and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 4 BHK sample villa called Spring Woods by the builder Buildico Ventures, which is located in Sarjapura Road for a sample villa tour. So let's get inside. So as you walk inside, you can see this is your spacious parking area where you can park your cars and two-wheelers. And as you walk further, so this is the entrance to your villa. So this is your spacious living area. As you can see, it is super spacious. So you have ample amount of space to put your sofa and to put your television unit. And this living area comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 4 BHK villa. So this is your first bedroom, also known as the guest bedroom, which is super spacious for your bed and for your wardrobe. And this room comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And also you have a study area, or you can use it as a dressing area. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, as you can see, and there's a window for ventilation, and also you have storage spaces and big mirror. So this is your bathroom. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this way to the dining area. So this is your super big dining area where you can put your dining table and chairs, and as you can see over there you have the wash basin with mirror, and these are nothing but your storage spaces. And near the dining area we have the balcony with the French sliding door. So this is your balcony, which is super big. As you can see, this is your garden area as well. So yes, this is super big and very spacious garden area. And this is your balcony, which you can customize it the way you want. You can have your sitting area over here and enjoy your leisure time. And now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area, which is super big. You can decorate it and customize it just like this with modular kitchen, and you can have a lot of storage spaces. And this kitchen comes with a big window for ventilation for natural sunlight. So as you can see, even over here you have a lot of space for storage, and again you have a corner space over here as well, so you can use it as a utility area as well. And now it's time to check the utility area. So this is your utility area, which is super big and super long. So yes, there comes a stainless wash basin, and this is super big where you can put your washing machine as well. So this is your utility area. So yes, we are done with the kitchen area as well as the dining area. Now it's time to check the first floor in this 4 BHK villa called Spring Woods. So as you walk upside, you can see there's some space under the staircase. You can utilize this as well for storing. And now it's time to go upstairs. So as you walk upstairs, you can see there's a big window over here for natural light and for ventilation. And right now we are in the first floor. So this is your living area in the first floor. Again, super big. As you can see, you can put your sofa, you can put your television this way, and over there we have a storage spaces as well right opposite to the television. So yes, this is your super big living area. Now it's time to check the second bedroom in this 4 BHK villa. So this is your second bedroom, which is super grand. As you can see, ample amount of space for your bed, for your television unit, your study area, for your wardrobe. Yes, it is super big, and as you can see, here comes a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. Now let's check the bathroom. So this is your super big bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment. There's a window for ventilation and space for storage units as well. So as you can see, it is super luxurious and super big. So now it's time to check the balcony. So this is the balcony with the French sliding door. So this balcony has access from two places, from the bedroom and from the living area. So yes, two-way access. So this is your balcony. As you can see, it is super big. So you have sitting area, and there's a plantation also over here, a small garden setup. So it looks really peaceful, where you can sit and enjoy your leisure time with your coffee and tea. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Now let's go to the living area from the balcony. So yes, from the balcony you can also come to the living area. So as I told you, there is two-way access. Now it's time to check the second floor. So this way to the second floor. So you can see again we have window for ventilation for natural sunlight, and you can check the roof on the top. Again, this is a design made for natural sunlight to enter your house. So yes, right now we are in the second floor, and it's time to check the common bathroom. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment. There's window for ventilation and storage spaces as well. Yes, you have place where you can set up your storage units. So as you can see, it is super big and super long. And now it's time to check the third bedroom in this 4 BHK villa. So this is your third bedroom in the second floor, which is super big, ample amount of space for your bed, your wardrobe, your study area, for your television unit. And yes, this room has this big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And you also have another window. Yes. So again, this side also you have a window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the mini home theater in this 4 BHK villa. So this is your home theater, which is super big, and we have 4 sofas. And right opposite the sofa, you can see there's a place for your screen. And on the right side, you can find the bar counter. Yes, that is your bar counter. And again, this home theater comes with a window for natural sunlight and for ventilation as well. So you can see there's a big window. So yes, this is your home theater. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the home theater. And now it's time to check the terrace in this 4 BHK villa. So this way to your terrace. So the terrace comes with French sliding door. So this is your super big terrace. So as you can see, over there we have the sitting area, and this side you can make arrangements for the bar counter. So it is super big. You can customize it and design the way you want. So yes, we checked all the parts of this villa, and now it's time to check the last bedroom, the fourth bedroom, also called as the master bedroom. So let's head to the first floor to check the master bedroom. So before we check the master bedroom, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide actual flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly, 360-degree virtual projector. And now let's head to the master bedroom. So this is your super big, super grand master bedroom. As you can see, there is ample amount of space for your bed, your television unit, and it comes with 2 large windows. So this is the first window, and this is your second window, and near the window you have a sitting arrangement as well, where you can sit and relax. So this is your study area. Again, super spacious the study area, and it comes with storage unit. And over here also we have a storage unit, so even you can customize it just like this. And now let's check the walk-in wardrobe. So this is your walk-in wardrobe. So super big wardrobe, and this is your dressing area. So this is the walk-in wardrobe, and as you can see, it has wooden floor finish, which looks really royal. Now it's time to check the attached bathroom. So this is the attached bathroom in the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments, window for ventilation, and storage spaces as well for storing units. So yes, this was all about the 4 BHK villa called Springwoods by the builder Buildico Ventures. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this project, do mention in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback, yes, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about such fantastic videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample villa tour of the residential project Springwoods, which is located at Sajapura Road by the builder Buildico Ventures.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.